Alright, so I'll start my demo now. The echo commands do not work, so I'm just going to skip over them. So I will get started with the simple commands. Alright, now I'll start with the I/O redirection. Oh, oops, I put a space there. Let me redo that one. Alright, there that is. Alright, so I'll move on. So this is the single pipe. So I'll just do CPP for my pattern. There it is. Now I'll start doing the 2 or more pipes. Oops. Alright, now I'll do the next command. Oh, well, I guess I'll just type it out. So the 2 or more pipes with input and output redirection does not work, I'm pretty sure. So I'll just skip over that and go to background processes. So I will do, I'm not sure if I need to run all of these at the same time. I think I do, but just to make sure, I'll do this one first. And then, if you notice, it says it's a defunct zombie, but then when I run any process again, it gets cleared out. So I will do sleep 1 and sleep 2 and sleep 20 and sleep 20. There we go. I think sometimes if you run it immediately, then it might notice a zombie, but there's the background processes, and then we'll do the directory processing. So, so this is the directory that I'm in. So let's do cd // So now we're going to be in this one, and then we can do cd dot, and then cd /home. This, and then cd dash. that takes me back to the code one. All right, that's all I have. So there we go.